Welcome to Rolling Homestead. In today's video, we're going to talk about the essentials of a lemon, from health benefits from losing weight to cancer fighting and a lot more. So please stick around. Alright guys, thanks for joining me. Today we are going to be talking about a lemon and the great benefits that a lemon has. Lemons are packed with nutrients and vitamins, all the way from they're high in vitamin C, all the way B complex, calcium, iron, magnesium, potassium. Fun fact that I just learned as I was doing the research on lemons here is a lemon contains more potassium than an apple or grape. Didn't know that. That's kind of interesting. So what my video today is about is lemon water. And what are the benefits of lemon water? How do you make the lemon water and how do you use it? And what is it actually good for? And like I said in the opening here, this is all the way from cancer fighting to weight loss to skin care. There's so the health benefits from a lemon go phenomenally across the board. It's a very, very nutritional, and it should be an everyday occurrence. And I'm going to tell you why. And guys, I took some notes because there's so much stuff here that I found out on lemons that it was just too much to remember. So because of how everybody knows that lemons are hard on your teeth. It actually starts to break down the enamel on your teeth. So one way to conquer that is by either brushing your teeth before you use the lemon water, or wait a little while and brush your teeth after you use the lemon water. One of the things that I have a question on is what if you use warm water, rinse after you're done with lemon water. But the idea is that you take this every day. It's a refreshing drink. I have a glass of it right here. And we're going to go through some of the benefits now. So you want to drink it lukewarm, and you want to drink it the first thing in the morning and wait 15 to 30 minutes before you have breakfast. This will help you to receive the benefits from the lemons. Okay, so the first benefit is gives your immune system a huge boost. If you think of us as a car, and as you run your car down, your alternator charges your battery. Well, let's take that a step farther, as that is our immune system. Vitamin C is what charges our battery. And when our vitamin C levels go down, our immune system goes down, and then we start to get sick. We start to get, it can cause depression. There's a lot of different things, anxiety. There's so many things that can happen if your immune system is lower. So to boost that up and to keep it at that level is going to help us tremendously, just flat all the way across the board. So it's an excellent source of potassium. Potassium is good health as well as brain and nervous function. So memory is an issue, stuff like that. A glass a day is phenomenal. That is great. Nerves. Everybody has rough days. You're nervous. You have stress levels. Here's another one for that. Okay, it aids in digestion. You ever see when you're out and you're at a restaurant and you see a lemon or on the end of the plate, usually for a fish fry, and it always looked like it was something decorative, because usually they got lemon and they got parsley. Two things for good breath, by the way. Parsley is another one. But just by putting that in your water that you give them, just putting that little squirt in there is going to help you with your digestion for that food for that night. So it encourages healthy digestion by loosening the toxins in your digestive tract. It helps to relieve heartburn, burping, and bloating. So just that, and that's just the scratch of what this little fruit can do. All right. So it also cleans our system. It helps to flush out the toxins in your body by enhancing the enzyme function stimulated in your liver, cleaning yourself out. Hey, that's a great thing to have. Like I said before, it freshens your breath. It also helps to relieve toothache, and it also helps to fight against gingivitis, which is a really good thing. But remember, guys, it is hard on the enamel, so you want to be flushing with water after you drink it or something like that to keep that from breaking down the enamel. This is another one that I didn't really know, and it was kind of interesting, was keeping skin blemish. So you want to be blemish free. You guys are looking for that younger look. You're looking for the nice skin, all that other stuff. The antioxidants in the lemon juice help not only to decrease blemishes, but also wrinkles too. So the wrinkles that we get right here as we get older, it helps to get rid of them. It can be applied to scars and age spots to reduce the appearances, and because it's a detoxing of your blood, it will maintain your skin's beauty and radiance. Just out of drinking that. So here's another one. Helps to lose weight. I know this is a big one for a lot of people. It's winter time, packing on the old weight. You know, can't get outside, can't do much exercising. For us, it's cold, below zero all the time, snowing. Just miserable, right? I'd rather be out enjoying my garden. So this thing right here can help me to stay trim and lose weight. It actually assists in fighting hunger. So it's got a fiber in it. It's called Pectin. So if you go look that up online, you'll see a lot of things about Pectin. Pectin assists in fighting hunger cravings. Then it reduces inflammation, and that's huge for joints, arthritis, anything like that, inflammation. We've all had that. Lemon water on a regular basis, it will decrease acidity in your body, which is where disease states occur. It removes uric acid in your joints, which is one of the main causes of inflammation. So we can get rid of that too. Alright, so it also gives you the huge energy boost. That's what I started in the beginning of the video. It's full of vitamin C. Lemon juice provides your body with energy, which is entered into your digestive tract, and it also helps reduce anxiety and depression. The scent of lemon has a calming effect on your nervous system, which I didn't know that. So if you got a diffuser, or just by when you're done making your lemon water and you take this and you put it in there in a pot of water and you boil it and just let it sit and simmer on your stove, that smell alone is enough to help with your nerves. And this one here was a huge one for me, is because I used to drink probably 10 cups of coffee a day. Lemon water can help you to cut off coffee. And why do we want to cut coffee off? It's caffeine. Because we want to put natural caffeine in our body, not something else. And the coffee that is made nowadays, I don't think as pure as what it should have been from a long time ago. And it makes you jittery, makes you nervous as you have them big, huge dives in the afternoon when you feel like you're dead. And you got to get another cup of coffee. Why don't we put something in our body that our body can use immediately and is natural? So by replacing your morning coffee with a cup of this in the morning, it'll actually help you so you don't have them big drops in the afternoon. You don't have them big dives. Your body will thank you for it, and your friends will too, because if you're anything like I am, if I don't have my coffee in the afternoon, I'm crabby, so no one wants to be around me. Okay, so you feel relaxed, you feel just full of energy all the way through. So that's a great thing in itself. Now for the last one on here is viral infections. It helps to fight viral infection. And that's a good thing, because with everything happening right now, you can get a simple cold, but then it turns into bronchitis or it turns into asthma. It grows, and then you have to go get antibiotics, and it's a huge mess. So this all goes back to that level of your immune system. To boost that immune system up helps to help with the viral infections. It has antioxidants in there that do wonderful things. So it's a very good way for you to fight off all that stuff. And the best part of it is that it tastes good. It's not anything that you take some of them drinks that's just bad. This is natural. You can mix it with the limes. Limes are just as good. So you can mix the two together, but it's a nice, cool, refreshing drink. And it's really simple to make. You just juice it. And they say you took, for a person over 150 pounds, it's a whole one, and if you're under 150 pounds, it's a half one. So you fill up a glass of water and you juice your lemon, you put it in there, and you drink it. We like to do it in a little bigger size because we got a big family of 5. So actually we're gonna fill this up and put in the lemons in here so that we can have our daily lemons and not have to go through this every day. So guys, I hope you have learned something from this. I hope it was educational for you. Please rewind it, take notes, give it, share it to a friend. It's very good information and it can help you out. You just, like everything else, you have to follow a regimen. You just got to do it daily. So thanks again. You guys all take care. Please share, like, and subscribe. It does help us, our channel tremendously. And I want to thank each and every one of you for watching. Take care and God bless.